Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our respectable teacher, Mr. Khairin S. Home, as a teacher Islamic History and Culture, introduced us from Group 1 of Class 12 Science 1. The members are Desi Nursamsiah, Devi Wulandari, Dewi Sri Rahmawati, Muhammad Subhan Al-Ghassani, and Nadia. We will present the history of the entry of Islam into China and Taiwan. So, let's listening well.
The history of the entry of Islam to China. Islam entered China in the 7th century, which is around 678 AD during the Tang Dynasty. The Chinese government received a diplomatic visit from the Arab kingdom. At that time, Caliph Uthman sent Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas with 15 of his colleagues to bring Islamic teachings to mainland China. Later, they were accepted by the Emperor Yongwei of the Tang Dynasty. The emperor also authorized the construction of the Huaisheng Mosque or Memorial Mosque in the canton of Guangzhou province. Since then, Islam began to develop. There are two main routes for the spread of Islam in China, namely by land or the Silk Route and by sea via shipping or the Lada Route. The Chinese who first embraced Islam were the Huichu ethnic. Currently, Muslims in China mostly live in Xinjiang and Ningxia, Guilin and Zhengzhou.
The Chinese Islamic Association, simply Chinese, is the official national association of religious organizations for Muslims of all ethnic groups in China. In July 1952, Muslim leaders Burhan Sahidi, Liu Jiefeng, Saifuddin Azizi, Yang Jingren, Fu Xi, Mazian, Fang Xiqian, and Mayu Huai met in Beijing to discuss the establishment of Chinese Islam. The Chinese Islamic Association was founded on May 11, 1953 as the first unified national Islamic organization designed to bridge all Chinese Muslims. The main texts of the association are: 1. Educating Muslims in religious measures for social development. 2. To establish and improve Islamic management in Chinese law. 3. Carry out friendly exchanges with Muslim and Islamic organizations to foster international relations.
History of the entry of Islam to Taiwan. The entry of Islam into Taiwan, at that time it was still called Formosa Islam, could not be separated from the history of the entry of Islam into China. Islam entered China through the western region of the country, along with Muslim traders in the 7th century and later produced the Hui ethnic group. The entry of Islam to Taiwan was due to the migration of several Chinese Muslims and other countries to the island of Formosa, including the Kongsinga troop led by Cheng Chengkung.
There are about 20 million Muslims in China. Some of them later emigrated to Taiwan in the 17th century when Muslims living in the Fujian province on the southern coast of China joined forces with Kongsinga Cheng Chengkang to invade Taiwan to repel Dutch troops occupying the island. After the war, some of Kongsinga's Muslim troops chose to settle in Taiwan.
The second wave of Muslim arrivals to Taiwan took place during the Chinese Civil War in the 20th century. At the time, around 20,000 Muslim soldiers and their families who were from Nationalist Kuomintang Party led by Chiang Kai-shek immigrated to Taiwan in 1949 because they didn't want to be in mainland China, which was controlled by the Chinese Communist Party. In the 1980s, thousands of Muslims from Myanmar and Thailand migrated to Taiwan in search of a better life. They are descendants of pro-nationalist soldiers who fled Yunnan province when the communists took control of mainland China.
Islamic organization in Taiwan. The Chinese Muslim Association is a Chinese Muslim organization in Taiwan. This organization is the administrator of the Taipei Grand Mosque. It is located inside the Taipei Grand Mosque and is the largest Islamic organization in Taiwan. The association was founded under another name, namely the Islamic National Salvation Society in Wuhan City in 1938. By Chongxi, the supreme leader of the Kuomintang and a Chinese political figure, was the association's first chairman. The organization's initial goal was to resist the Japanese attack. Now, the Chinese Muslim Association is taking on a role in the lives of local Muslims. This organization participates in managing all mosque affairs in Taiwan. In addition, this association is active in various efforts to improve the welfare of the community, including serving the affairs of Muslim ghost works in Taiwan. The association's foundation, which is engaged in Islamic education and culture, hold lectures on Islam for local Muslims and the wider community. The Muslim Association is also involved in establishing halal markets and businesses, supporting the younger generation of Muslims, and organizing Hajj trips while strengthening ties between Taiwan and Muslim countries.
Right, maybe that's our material is enough. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you for attention. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.